even though this looks good, it looks like the padding here got a little bit big. I'm not sure what happened. I'm sure you can trace back in the videos and see where we made a mistake. But if we adjust this, I'm going to inspect one of these icon box elements. I'll make sure that that section is highlighted here. And I'm going to adjust the margin top on this. I'll leave the margin shorthand as is, and I'll set the margin top, and we'll set it to 82 pixels, which if we go back to our icon box code is set right here for our icon box. And actually it looks like it's set right here as well. We can remove that now. So back here, we have it set for 82 pixels, and let's drop this down until we get something that looks right. So I'll go 62, and it looks like 50 pixels is about right, which happens to be half the size of this icon. So earlier we tried this first and it didn't work, but now it seems to be working fine. So let's adjust this in our styles here. So instead of 82, let's make it 50, and we'll save this and refresh.